And running kimono here, so we're looking at the best curbside deals for the week of November the 5th to the 11th. So basically what you're doing for all the new shoppers out there is you're ordering these items through the comforts of your home, through your cell phone, desktop, computer, or tablet, putting it in order, driving to the store and going to pick it up, and that is lovingly known as a curbside pickup, and you are hitting the bar on the left-hand side with the red check. Most of these deals today we're showing is just very easy, rolling some Walgreens cash to get stuff very cheap. So it is just like easy deals curbside. You're in this store, a lot of you have been sharing that the Halloween remaining merchandise at most stores is now 80% off, and today is Monday, November the 6th. So when you go to pick up your order, you might want to just peek around and see what they might have, because it's 80% off if you like to decorate or if you like Halloween treats. Now, if you are more of a shopper that likes to shop in store only, that is your thing. You don't like this technology stuff. I hear you. I understand you guys. I made a video yesterday where I went through the store and bought some stuff. So go check it out. I did quite a few deals. Now, to let you guys know, I have been looking for that digital booster, and I really thought if I was a betting person that it would show up on Sunday night around midnight or maybe Monday morning. Still hasn't shown up. And the digital booster, like this one, for example, 7 back when you spend 25, nothing. We do have a weird one of like 20 back when you spend 60 on holiday, but really, are we going to spend $60 on gift wrap with no digital coupons? No. So I just don't know what's happening. I know that in the last couple of weeks, they have been updating the Walgreens app. To be honest and frank with you guys, just like this moose, he's not happy. I'm not happy. I don't like the redesign of this app, and I don't think it's working to the potential. I think they should have kept it in a beta stage till it was running. It seems to be limping around. A lot of times you get these error messages, you get locked out. I know that last week I did a monster haul where it was like 2 boosters, I paid for the balance, and then my whole transaction was missing for like 6 days before my Walgreens cash appeared in my account. And do you think customer service was nice with me? No, they were like, you gotta wait. So, I mean, if they're gonna do all these nice sweeping changes and try to make their app look more like a social media app, get it to work, Walgreens. And I know there's lots of Walgreens people that listen. That's a huge complaint because this app is not working to potential. What we had probably September-ish, a lot better than this. Okay, so deal number 1. Let's give this video a big thumbs up because I'm not complaining anymore. A big like, thank you. For this basket, we're going to grab one of these Swiffer dusting kits for $5.49. Original price point $6.79, and load this $3 digital, which is a manufacturer, and yes, it is attaching to said product. And then we're also going to grab 2 bags of these Hershey's Kisses. I know a lot of you probably make those little sugar cookies with the kiss on top. Perfect for your Christmas baking. We have the IVC, which is $1 off of 2. So make sure you have this guy loaded. But hang on to your hat for a second. I guess they were feeling a bit generous. We have a 2 off of 2 digital coupon. So load this one as well. And they have the Grinch Kisses too over at Walgreens. To round out our basket, we're also going to grab 3 of these complete home sandwich bags or whatever bag you want to get. Just showing you all of my digital coupons melting off. And I also threw in the code WAG10 for 25 cents off of my basket. My total was $16.28, $1.25 coming off the chocolate IVC and WAG10. Curbside pickup is free, 48 cents in tax, $5 in digitals coming off. Pay $10.51. I personally would use $10 in Walgreens cash if you might have it, and pay 51 cents and call this a very smart basket. Okay, so the next deal that we're going to look at is deal number 2. And I know there's a lot of shoppers out there that really love the cheap skincare. So we're going to grab 2 of these L'Oreal Paris Collagen Moisture. It's the day night cream. So 2 of those, and then we're going to load our friend, which is this 10 off of 2 digital coupon. Showing you the overall basket, the $10 digital melting off. And then if you use the code WAG10, an extra 80 cents, so a bit of savings for you. $17.98, the tax, the promotion, and the $10 coming off to pay $8.21. I personally would use $5 in Walgreens cash and pay $3.21 for 2 of these, and that's a lot of lotion for the harsh winter months that we're coming into. And now we're looking at deal number 3. For this one, we're going to grab 2 of these double packs of the Airwick plugs. You might have to mix and match, like my store had 1 of each. And then we're going to load this friend, which is a buy one, get one free on these plugs. And this is valid till the 19th, so a little something for us. And we're going to grab 2 of these Scott's toilet papers at $10. And we have a couple coupons to go with this. We have the digital. I believe there's a counterpart for this guy on ShopMeum as well that you can apply for after you do your transaction. Extra $1 back. And then the $1.25 IVC, that will double, giving you $2.50 off. So to show you all of the magic here, $7 off for Airwick, Scott, WAG 10, 60 cents off, and then $2.50 off for the 2 IVC for the Scott products. Our total was $22.98. $3.10 coming off in promos, free curbside pickup, tax, $8 of manufacturers, pay $13.07. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash if you might have it, pay $3.07, and then check your ShopMeum if you might have that dollar rebate. Photograph your receipt to get that extra $1 back. Not a bad little dealio. Okay, so the final deal that we have, guys, is just a hodgepodge of stuff. The first is to grab 2 of these Hallmark Christmas bags at $2.49 a pop. Now, if your store does not have all the Christmas stuff listed, at the very least, load this digital coupon, and then when it starts to populate in the app, you can order it. This is a 4 off of 2. We're going to grab 1 of the Neutrogena Acne bars of soap for $3.49, and then 2 of the Vaseline lip balms at $2.19 on a BOGO 50% off promotion. Load the following digital coupons, this $3 off, and hopefully you have the same one as I. It's a 3 off for the Neutrogena bar soap, and we have the $1.99 off of the 2 Vaseline lip. Those things are so nice, especially this time of the year. And we're also going to throw in 1 toilet paper for $5, and then 1 all liquid detergent for $4.99. For the Scott, we're going to load this $1 manufacturer along with the $1.25 IVC coupon, and I'll load this guy as well. And then for the all detergent, we have a $1 digital as well. You can either get the liquid or the packs, or the the little packs, whatever you want. But either one of those with this digital coupon. Showing you the chorus line here, and I threw in WAG 10 for 60 cents off. That is a lot of digitals melting off right there. Our total was $21.44, $1.85 off, 79 cents. And then $10.78 melting off. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay 60 cents and call this a terrific deal. And if you are not seeing any Christmas merchandise in your app, it's because your store, it hasn't been populated yet. Maybe later this week or next week, but at the very least, load all of the Hallmark coupons, because if you love curbside, we're going to find some deals with those in the next coming weeks. That's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.